Today feels very special. I feel like something great's gonna happen today.
Today is a beautiful day. We will do something fun together. We will have a picnic at home. It will be a happy family time.
I love spending time with my family. Today, we will eat and laugh together. I will prepare delicious food for us. This picnic will be full of love.
Dad, I am very excited. I want to help you today.
Thank you, my son. Your help makes me very happy.
Tom, please come to the kitchen. I need your help with the food.
Yes, Mom. I am happy to help you.
Everything is ready in the living room. The picnic mat looks nice.
That is wonderful. Our family picnic will be perfect.
I see the beautiful picnic mat. I see the delicious food. My heart feels full of joy. I love this moment very much.
Please sit here with us. This is your special place.
Thank you, Dad. I feel very happy.
Seeing my family happy makes me happy. These small moments are very special. Family time is the best time. I will always remember this day.
Let us start our picnic.
Yes, let us enjoy this moment.
This is the best day ever. This food looks very delicious. I feel very excited to eat. This picnic is so beautiful. I am very happy right now.
This is a wonderful family moment. I feel very proud of our family.
Yes, this moment is very special. I feel very happy inside my heart.
Mom, the sandwich is very tasty. I really love this food.
I am happy you like it, Tom. I made it with love.
Seeing you happy makes me happy. Your smile is very special to me. Family happiness is very important. This is a perfect day.
Let us enjoy every moment together.
Yes, these moments are precious.
I love this picnic so much. I feel warm and safe. My family is with me. This is the best feeling. I will always remember this day.
Tom, family is the greatest gift.
Yes, Dad. I feel very lucky.
Seeing my family together makes me peaceful. This home is full of love. This moment is very beautiful. I feel thankful.
Mom, I love you very much.
I love you too, my son.
My family is my strength. My family is my happiness. I will always protect my family. They are my world.
This picnic is wonderful.
Yes, it is perfect.
I never want this moment to end. I look at my father. I look at my mother. I feel very happy. I feel very lucky.